Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to use Moneygram to pay rent and how to pay your bill with Moneygram. First, go to the Moneygram website or open the Moneygram mobile app.